Hello, Mike. Today I'm going to show you how to DIY fix Samsung French door refrigerator. As you can see, the refrigerator behind me is a French door refrigerator from Samsung, and the warranty period is only 1 year. As soon as the warranty expires, it gets some problem for noise. During the summertime, you can always hear noise from the refrigerator. So today I'm going to show you how to fix it. So basically, the only part which can generate noise is the fan, and that probably is the only moving part of the refrigerator from front, which like ordinary people can fix. So the first step is that you need to take the fan out. As you can see, the fan was attached to a cover in the freezer. So you basically just can take this out. There are two screws on each side. So if you just unscrew that and take it out, and also there are five screws on the cover. So if you can just unscrew the five screws, and you can see the fan here. So it is not really difficult to fix it, and the parts can be ordered from Amazon for a small amount of money compared to the price you're going to pay to hire some professional to fix it. The money is nothing. So you may gently pull the cover out of the board, and that is where the fan is located. But just be careful because all the parts are made of plastic. You don't want to cause any damage to this cover of the refrigerator. And basically, the function of the fan is to transfer cold air to the refrigerator and also to make it circulate in the freezer. So as long as you put a new one into it, and that will pretty much fix the problem. One thing for sure is that it doesn't require rocket science to fix the refrigerator because it is just an ordinary home appliance. But before trying to fix by myself, I did call some service company, like an appliance repairment company in town. But it turns out just have someone to come to your house to check it out might cost you 100 Canadian dollars plus tax. And I just couldn't imagine how much more they will charge me if they replace the fan by themselves. Probably $300, probably $500. I just couldn't see, but it's quite easy for me to order the spare part from Amazon. So you just gently pull the wire out. That was the old one, and just put a new one into it. Just need little patience and a bit of time, but the whole thing wasn't too complicated. And as you can see, that's where the noise was generated. So this is kind of a part that may have problem from time to time. That is why it wasn't difficult to order a spare part from Amazon. And probably, the repair company, they may order the spare part from the same place like Amazon. So before putting it back, let's just have a test to see whether or not the new one has noise. The answer is no, obviously. So if you put all the wire back and put all the screws back, so pretty much that is everything you need to do to fix the refrigerator. And after putting the new fan, just gently put the cover back. There are clicks on both sides if you just gently put it back. And I put a towel on the table because of the melting water. I just don't want to damage my table. See, after several clicks, the cover is ready to be put back. Before ordering any spare parts, please check the series number of your refrigerator, and that is what I ordered from Amazon. It was $69.95. Last but not the least, you need to put the seal tab back. And I don't think they sell this seal tab separately, so you have to be careful in putting it back, just not try to damage it. And the function of the seal tab is to keep the cold air inside of the refrigerator. So it's kind of really important to make the refrigerator working properly. And as you can see, just gently put it back. I have no idea how many times I can use this because I have been taking this part out twice, and it is self-adhesive. So you just put it back along the edge of the cover. Basically, that's everything you need to do at this stage. After putting all the seal tab back, just carry the cover towards the refrigerator and just be minded that there are two locks on each side of the reel. If you want to take the door out, you have to push the lock in order to get the door out. But I didn't take the door out completely because I don't want to take the trouble putting it back. So I just give myself enough working space. And as you can see, the evaporators, there's some ice, build up ice on it, but it's summertime, it's humid, there's no way we can do about it. We can just live with it. Now the nice thing is that there's not too much ice attached to the evaporator. So basically you just, put this cover back. As you can see, the working space is kind of really narrow, and I'm glad it can still fit in. And just have the crew ready for that. Before putting the screws back, just make sure to plug the fan with the refrigerator. There's a little plug there, that's the power source of the fan. So just plug that in, and there's no room for mistake because it's pretty straightforward. There's no way to get it wrong. And after plug the fan, you just put the cover back, and when you hear a click, that means everything is in place. And please also put the seal tab back to the place. As I mentioned earlier, that it's quite important to keep the cold air circulating inside of the refrigerator. So there are two screws there on each side. So just gently scoot up to the right position. The red stuff, the white stuff in front of you, that's the ice maker. And I'm glad that the ice maker doesn't have any problem this time. But the filter light is always on. So the trick is, if the filter light is on, just unlock the refrigerator and push the ice maker button for 3 seconds, and the filter light will be off. After putting the cover back, the last step will be put the balance bar back. I just didn't know the function of the balance bar. Probably that just to stop the drawer moving forward. So it is also not difficult to put it back. So that's the balance bar. Just put it back as it was. So that's pretty much how to fix your refrigerator by yourself. Interestingly, Samsung provides 3 years warranty in most Asian countries and 2 years warranty in New Zealand. But in Canada and the United States, the warranty period was only a year, which means if you want to pick this brand next time, just be careful of the short time for warranty. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.